Hi everyone, I'm Yongkiet. Really glad to be able to present to you a working demo of Kaki. Kaki is a personal care companion app that simplifies care for residents, caregivers, care providers. I'll be taking you through the three core features of Kaki: care profiling, group chats, file management and sharing. So let's get right into it. We all know care begins with the resident, so let's start by loading up two Kaki apps. The one on the left belongs to our resident, Auntie Tsingfang. One on the right belongs to her caregiver, me, Uncle Yongkiet. When Auntie Tsingfang first downloads Kaki from the App Store, onboarding is a breeze. She logs in via a SingPass, and after authentication, she's immediately brought to her inbox. I've removed all the welcome messages because this is a demo, but generally there will be a set of onboarding steps to guide the user through the features of Kaki. Kaki is kept simple with just an Inbox tab and a Care Profile tab. When Auntie Tsingfang clicks on the Care Profile tab, she is brought to her community screen, where she can see who her care providers, caregivers, and even her care recipients are. Auntie Tsingfang also has a screen called My Care, which allows her to create her own unique care profile. Let's see what she can do. When she clicks on Add Care Needs, she gets to edit her own care profile. She can tell her providers that she speaks slowly in English. She can indicate her health conditions like diabetes and psoriasis. And she can even add her medication like empagliflozin and the daily dosage. Now we know that healthcare is 50% social care. So Tsingfang also gets to key in details like what language she's most comfortable in and even indicate which is her most preferred language. Other things includes things she needs assistance with, activities she enjoys, and key life events that have happened recently. Now it's time for Uncle Yongkiet to log in so he can better take care of his mother, Auntie Tsingfang. When Uncle Yongkiet logs into Kaki, he too can access the Care Profile tab. He can go into the section that says People Under My Care and add Auntie Tsingfang to his list of care recipients. From there, it's a simple job of indicating the NRIC, full name, relationship, phone number, and then declaring the necessary consents. An invitation is then sent to Auntie Tsingfang's Kaki app. Now all Auntie Tsingfang needs to do is to accept this invitation, and Kaki will recognize the care relationship between them both. Now, what will care be without a care provider? Today, Shayna will be Auntie Tsingfang's care provider. Care providers like Shayna access Kaki via a web app, where they can too log in securely with SingPass or any other authentication protocol. For providers new to Kaki, we provide a quick onboarding process for them to set up their profile and identity. Once they've configured the profile, they are brought to their inbox. Now, Shayna has just onboarded Kaki and has nothing in her inbox yet. However, she can go to the plus icon next to the inbox and create a new group chat. Then she can search for Auntie Tsingfang and Uncle Yongkiet via their NRIC numbers. Once she creates a chat, Shayna can then chat away with both Auntie Tsingfang and Uncle Yongkiet within the same chat. Switching back to Auntie Tsingfang and Uncle Yongkiet's Kaki apps, we see that a new chat group has been created for them with Shayna. They too can now chat with Shayna to clarify their concerns and discuss Auntie Tsingfang's care needs. This is one big step forward for care coordination. Care providers like Shayna can now manage the chat groups with their respective residents using their Kaki inbox. For each chat group, they can see both the files that have been exchanged and the members within that group. When they click on members, they can see the residents and also their care profiles. Remember what Auntie Tsingfang filled up? This helps the care provider better understand care needs. Along the way, if Shayna needs to add other providers or caregivers into the chat, she can as well. The final feature of Kaki is the file management and sharing function. Care providers like Shayna can create care plans within their workstation and then simply upload them into Kaki for sharing with residents. For example, Shayna could share diabetes care plans with Auntie Tsingfang and Uncle Yongkiet, and then explain the details within the care plan to them in chat. To assist with document management, Shayna can also help to tag the document type via a simple drop-down filter. Because the files and the explanations are all stored within the context of a chat session, Shayna, Tsingfang, and Yongkiet will no longer need to fear disparate documents and the lack of explanations for each care plan. We hope you'll give Kaki a try today and experience what seamless care coordination is like. Thank you.